my name is Lisa Totino, and this is my video demonstration lesson plan for SPED602. I am going to be showing you a lesson today on fall foliage. I prepared this lesson for a pre-K or kindergarten level. I've used it in both. The objective of the lesson is for the children to understand the concept of foliage and what happens to the trees and the leaves in the fall. I start off the lesson by showing the children a class tree that I made. Each child will get a green leaf with their name on it, and they get to add it to the branches of the tree. Then I will go over and grab a book called Leaf Jumpers. This is a great book for this lesson because it's very short, sweet, and to the point for any grade level to really understand the concept of foliage. I actually begin the lesson at the back of the book because on the last page it shows all the colors of the leaves and it goes over what happens to the leaves in the spring and summer and then why they turn colors in the fall. Leaves that turn bright colors in the autumn were green during the spring and summer. During those seasons, the green leaves make food for the tree from water, air, and sunshine. The tree food made in the leaves is a kind of sugar that keeps the leaves alive and helps the tree to grow. In the fall, the weather turns colder. There's not enough sunshine and rain for the leaves to make food for the tree. Their job is done and the tree stops growing. It has no further use for its leaves, so they begin to die. Then something beautiful happens. The leaves change colors. Out come the yellow and orange hues that during spring and summer were covered by shades of green. Other changes in the leaves make the red and brown colors come out too. The leaves containing the most stored food turn the brightest colors before they fall to the ground. I'll then go on to ask some questions to the children. What colors do you see the leaves changing? What color are they in the spring and summer? Then what colors do they turn in the fall? And then we'll go on to read the book. We watch soft winds shake the trees. It lifts the leaves and sets them free. Released they flutter through the air, drifting downward gracefully. We run to catch the falling leaves, we smell their smells and touch their veins. Bright jewels from the crowns of trees, we trace their shapes, we say their names. Red maple's broad and pointed leaves flame bright and vivid as a match. The sugar maple's leaves are orange like pumpkins in a pumpkin patch. Stubby fingers brown as dirt reach from the slender white oak leaf. The basswood's glowing yellow leaves are shaped like hearts with little teeth. The birch leaf oval as an egg falls sunny side upon the ground. Willow leaves turn yellow-green and hang from limbs that all curve down. The ginkgo's wavy golden leaf is shaped just like a little fan. The broadleaf of the sycamore is yellow with a coat of tan. We toss the bright leaves in the air, oranges, yellows, golds, and reds. We dance together as they fall. Leaf hats settle on our heads. We clap with joy, we love the leaves. We rake a glowing golden heap. Then holding hands, we jump into a pile of colors 3 feet deep. And that's the end of the story. I'll then go on to discuss some of the names of the trees in the book and the colors of the leaves from those trees. And each child will be called up and given a sticker with their name to put on the sticker chart. This sticker chart right here has dark red, red, orange, dark yellow, yellow, green, and brown. The child gets to put their leaf, their sticker leaf, next to their favorite color, fall foliage leaf. So I would put mine next to dark red because that's my favorite, and the other kids get called up and they fill in the chart themselves. The purpose of the chart is because the children will be making their own leaves made out of tissue paper and laminate. So each child will get the color tissue paper that matches the color that their sticker is next to, and they will be cutting out a leaf. That leaf will have their name on it. And after all the leaves are made, the children will be called back up to the tree. They will find their name on the tree, take off their green leaf, and add their colored leaf to the base of the tree. By the end of the lesson, there will be no green leaves left on the tree. And this tree would have gone through foliage. All of the colorful leaves will be at the base of the tree, and all of the children will be able to bring their green leaves back to their seats. They will all be given an activity sheet. It just has 4 simple questions on it just to assess the children and what they learned during the lesson in regards to fall foliage. The first question is, what season does foliage occur? They have to circle either winter, spring, summer, or fall. I will be going over these answers and circling them up on the board before the children get the activity sheet back at their seats. What colors do leaves turn after foliage occurs? Their choices are blue, yellow, brown, red, purple, orange, and pink. All of the words are color-coded for them to be able to circle the appropriate colors. There are 2 pictures, one of a tree that hasn't gone through foliage and another one of a tree that has gone through foliage. They have to circle the picture of the tree that has gone through foliage. Then the last one is a little more tricky, especially for the young ones. What is your favorite fall foliage color? There's a line for them to write the color down. The more advanced students can copy their color from the chart, or the students that need a little more assistance, I can go up to their paper with a yellow marker so that they can trace their favorite fall foliage color. I will then collect the activity sheets and go through to make sure that all of the children understand the concept of foliage. I actually have an example from one student that I used this past year. He needed a little more assistance, so I was able to write the color for him, and then he was able to trace it. And that is my video demonstration lesson plan on fall foliage. I hope you enjoyed.